How to make a Coverstar group in less than 3 minutes. Today I'm going to show you how to create a shared space on Coverstar so you and your friends can post together, interact privately, and keep content organized right away. If you want a controlled way to connect without posting everything publicly, this will walk you through what actually works step by step. Start by opening the Coverstar app and logging into your account. From the main screen, tap your profile or menu icon to access your account options. Coverstar does not always label this feature as a traditional group, so look for options related to shared spaces, creator circles, or private interaction features. The exact name may vary depending on your app version, but these tools are always found inside your account or content sharing settings. Once you find the shared or group style option, choose to create a new space. You will be asked to give it a name so your members can recognize it easily. After that, select the privacy level. Choosing a private option means only people you invite can see and interact with the content. This is the best choice if you want a small, controlled group with friends. Some accounts may also allow limited visibility, where people can request access instead of joining freely. Next, invite members. You can usually add people from your followers list or by searching for their usernames. Send the invites and wait for them to accept. If you prefer, you can skip this step and add people later once everything is set up. Before posting, check the available settings to see who can post, comment, or invite others. Adjusting this early helps avoid confusion later. After setup, you can start posting inside the shared space. Content posted here stays separate from your public profile, so only approved members can see it. You can upload videos, photos, or messages depending on what your account allows. This keeps everything focused and makes it easier for everyone to interact without cluttering public posts. If you need to make changes, open the shared space settings at any time. From there, you can add or remove members, update privacy options, or change the name and image. These controls are designed to be simple even if you're new to the app. By the end of this process, you will have a private or limited shared space on Coverstar that works like a group without needing advanced setup. In just a few minutes, you can create a place where you can control who joins, what gets shared, and how people interact, so you and your friends can start posting together with confidence right now.